had no transport. My friends, my relatives who were rich, for the whole month they received, they refused to give me 30,000. I went to Henry Ziguratile, current MP in Luham, the brother to my mother. He is listening and watching. He had a supermarket in Rubaga roundabout. I went to him, I told him, give me 30,000 transport to the queue. He just leave. That I'm the one who brings thieves to his business. I went to my cousins in Tinda. I slept there. They refused to give me 30,000. Instead they said I've stolen their money. I'm telling you that testimony. God was teaching me not to rely on people. To rely on him. The Spirit of God convicted me. When I went to the bus, I picked 200,000. Listen, I'm not saying that every time I will be picking, but it is something that happened, and God does not want me to lose that thing. Especially when people refuse, when people reject me, when people don't understand me. I rely on God. I trust God for miracles and wonders.